If the breeze is because of you, thank you for that. I'm a big titta. I need as many breezes as I can get. But and that's why we align ourselves with beautiful hula dancers. Speaking of which, a very big mahalo to Kumu Hula Kupau and her beautiful, beautiful dancers. How's about a big hand, Paima? Woo! Thank you so much for that. We did bring dancers ourselves. We let them borrow our bodies for tonight. And then they're going to give them back right after the show. But no, we actually love working with this Kumu Hula Sallie Yoza and her lovely ladies of Napula ikauika. They're always so gracious and so sassy and so lovely. We love it. Hi, ladies. Our ladies are going to take us to the island of Maui, and they're going to use different implements. We thought we'd come and, you know, just shake things up for the first time at Kona Nui Nights, for us at least. So we're going to have them do 3 different type of implements within the same dance. They're going to use the feather gourd or the uli. They'll also be using the ipu or ipu heke'ole, which is the open top ipu, as well as the pu'ili, the split bamboo. As we take you to the island of Maui, this is Haleakala Hula. Come on, girls. Thank you so much, ladies. You know,